Hi everyone. So today we'll be doing some practice questions for the topic percent. So in our previous topics, we learned how to calculate percentage of a number, and now we are going to use it in some real life examples. Okay. So now it says find the number of marbles each child has. So we have two problems. So first and second. Okay. So in the first problem, there are a total of 30 marbles. Okay. And Ken has 40% of them and Judy has the rest of them. So now we have to find how many marbles each of them has. Okay. So first of all, Ken has 40% of 30 marbles, 40% of the total. So we studied if we have a percent, it is per 100, so we can represent 40% as 40 by 100. And of, how can it be represented mathematically? By a multiplication sign. So it becomes 40 by 100 into 30. So 30 is also part of the numerator. Now we have to try to reduce it into its simplest form using common divisors. So one of the common divisors is 10. So 10 into 4 is 40 and 10 into 10 is 100. Okay. And again here 10 into 1 is 10 and 10 into 3 is 30. Okay. So now what is left in the numerator? 4 into 3, that is 12, and denominator is 1. Okay. So we can say Ken has 12 marbles. Now Judy has the rest of them. What do you mean by rest? So there are total 30 marbles minus how many Ken has, that is 12. So we get, how many marbles does Judy have? She has 18 marbles. Okay. Now let's look at the second problem. So there are a total of 160 marbles. Okay. So Sam has how many? 20%. So 20% of 160. So how many do we get? We reduce it to the simplest form. So the common divisor here is 20. So 20 into 1 is 20 and 25 is 100. And now 160 and 5 also have a common divisor as 5. So 5 into 1 is 5. And then if we divide 160, what do we get? 5 3s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So we get 32. So Sam has 32 marbles. And now Tina. Tina has 45% of 160. So how much do we get? They both have a common divisor as 10. So 10 into 10 is 100 and 10 into 16 is 160. Now 45 and 10 have a common factor 5. 5 into 2 is 10 and 5 nines are 45. Now 2 and 16 can also be divided. 2 into 8 is 16. So now what are we left with? 9 8s are 9 into 8, that is 72. Okay, 9 into 8, 72 marbles. Now Erica. So it says Erica has the rest of them. So the total marbles were 160. Out of them, how many does other children have? 32 plus 72. So we get 160 minus 104. So Sam and Tina together have 104 marbles. So Erica will have 160 minus 104. So that is 56. So Erica has a total of 56 marbles. So you can see this percentage of something we can use in our real life. If we give a percentage of something to someone or we get it, we can find what is the actual value of the thing that the person has received. So I hope this is clear. If you have any questions, please write down in the comments below. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.